Not so long ago, in a faraway forest, there lived two sisters, Laura and Lizzie. They were caring sisters and always have a lot to share.
Fresh, juicy fruits. Fresh, juicy fruits.
One day, Laura and Lizzie heard the strange sound of a goblin selling some fruit outside their house.
Fruits. Fresh, juicy fruits.
At first, they tried to ignore the goblin, but eventually, Laura decides to go out and see what's happening. Lizzie warns her not to, but Laura is too curious. The goblin man offers her his fruit, and Laura thinks it looks tasty. Laura took the fruit. After eating all that goblin fruit, Laura started to waste away and went back home. She wanted to eat more fruits. Lizzie got worried and decided to go to the goblin and get some more fruits for her sister.
Fruits. Fresh, juicy fruits.
When Lizzie went to the goblin man tried to tempt her the same way he tempted Laura. But Lizzie stood firm. The goblin man turned violent and tried to stuff fruit in Lizzie's mouth, but she squeezed her mouth shut. So he ended up getting juice all over her.
No! See what you have done!
Lizzie ran back to their house, all covered in goblin fruit juice. Laura kissed the juice off her sister's cheeks and is miraculously healed. She promised her sister that she will never repeat the same mistake again. No one ever saw the goblin again, and they lived happily ever after.